Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for recipe notifications. देहरादून का बासमती चावल, मटन 18.25 मिनट पका हुआ. Well, now that's all of Mr. Bachchan that I can imitate and do. On that note, I'm referring to Cheeni Kum, an extraordinary love story which actually began over a plate of Hyderabadi Zafrani Pulao. Well, that brings us to Hyderabadi Zafrani Pulao. Hey guys, it's Varun Inamdar and welcome to Khana Peena Aur Cinema. Well, like Mr. Bachchan says, Hyderabadi Zafrani Pulao is made using a set of perfect ingredients. The first one, of course, is ghee. While this is just beginning to heat, let me add in a few sticks of cinnamon, few bay leaves, peppercorns. With this, some cloves. While this is beginning to heat, let's quickly slice a red onion. Let's slide this into ghee and saute this till it becomes nice and golden brown in color. This could take anywhere between 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. To hasten the process, I'll add in some salt. Mix this well and allow this to get fried. To this, let's add in ginger garlic paste and along with this, pieces of boiled meat. Give this a stir. We need to cook this till the flavor of ginger and garlic goes away. Once that is done, we'll add in red chilli powder along with soaked basmati rice. To this, let's add in beaten curd along with milk, meat stock, saffron soaked in warm milk, and finally salt as required. Remember the fact that we had added salt even while frying the onions. Stir this well and allow this to cook on high flame for 12 minutes. It's been roughly around 12 minutes. We need to lower the flame, cover this and continue cooking for 8 to 10 minutes. Time to turn the flame off and check the rice. Give it a gentle stir and add in some chopped mint. With this, a Hyderabadi Zafrani Pulao is ready to serve. Well, according to Mr. Bachchan, this is the finest Hyderabadi Zafrani Pulao.